Welcome to AMVital. Discover total wellness for your mind, body, and home today.
5 astonishing proven benefits of turmeric for hair. The spice is mild and refreshing and acts as an exfoliator cleaner. It eases the scalp and removes the scalp issues that clog your hair follicles. Turmeric also has a flattering effect on natural hair growth. Ayurveda has discovered that turmeric oil can reduce hair loss if added to shampoo specifically for thinning hair and in a thickening conditioner that will ensure hair's health and reduce hair split ends. Hearsay evidence pointed to turmeric's effectiveness in improving hair and scalp health. This spice is used in hair masks to treat scalp problems, i.e., dandruff, psoriasis, and even mild acne. 5 astonishing proven benefits of turmeric for hair. Combats inflammation. Curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory support to hair can help heal wounds on the scalp and ease redness and inflammation. Moreover, its antimicrobial and anti-androgenic properties protect the scalp against bacteria. Also, curcumin is known for its antioxidant support against the damage induced by free radicals, preventing follicular degeneration. Treats dandruff issues. As per research, pairing turmeric with coconut oil is an antifungal treatment for dandruff. Further, this combo helps control hair loss, scales on the scalp, and itching due to fungus causing dandruff. Nevertheless, a study found this combo slightly effective compared to 2% ketoconazole shampoo. Benefits the blood flow. Low blood circulation causes hair loss. Turmeric may benefit blood circulation and boost hair growth. Also, curcumin in turmeric aid develops blood vessels. Retains hair color. A study examined curcumin dietary supplements in capsules or gummies can help maintain hair turning gray. Besides, you can use it as a vegetable hair dye. Solve scalp problems and activate hair growth. Curcumin helps solve scalp skin infections and conditions, including acne vulgaris, dermatitis, alopecia, and scalp psoriasis. Research shows that curcumin influences hair growth in the murine cycle. DIY turmeric remedies for hair issues. Recipe number 1: Turmeric hair boosting mask. Ingredients: honey, 2 tablespoons, turmeric, 2 tablespoons. Directions: mix well all the ingredients in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your hair entirely. Leave it for roughly 30 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water using your regular shampoo. Try it once a week. Benefits: eggs are a wealthy source of protein. Research also reveals that the egg yolk facilitates hair growth. At the same time, honey protects the hair from dandruff and hair loss. Recipe number 2: Turmeric tonic for hair loss. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, honey, turmeric powder. Directions: blend all the ingredients in a bowl. Apply the tonic to the hair thoroughly. Let it stay for 30 minutes. Bathe it off with lukewarm water and shampoo. Use it once a week if you suffer from alopecia. Usefulness: milk is protein-rich, treating hair damage, loss, and baldness. It also smooths hair endings, treats scalp acne, and prevents head lice and dandruff. Honey in the recipe will treat hair loss, hair damage, baldness, and alopecia. Recipe number 3: Turmeric mask for healthy hair. Ingredients: coconut oil, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Turmeric, 2 tablespoons. Directions: spread the blend to the hair evenly. Leave it for almost 45 minutes. Clean it off with lukewarm water and shampoo. You can apply this once a week. Advantages: coconut oil encourages hair growth, blood flow, and thickness and prevents protein loss in damaged hair. Using it with turmeric can ensure bye-bye to dandruff. Recipe number 4: Turmeric hair pack for dandruff. Try it out for yourself. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a dash of lukewarm water. Directions: mix all ingredients and massage gently into your scalp. Leave it for 20 minutes before washing your hair. Safety: adding turmeric into your hair care routine is easy. You must exercise caution. The spice may also have unfavorable effects. Applying turmeric to hair may cause unfavorable results, including allergic reactions, itching, and rashes. Turmeric should not be kept on hair for an extended time as it may harden the scalp and pull it out. The reason it is also used as natural hair removal for axillary hair. This wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give us big thumbs and subscribe to the channel.